On behalf of M2H, Mindset Healing Mastery, I warmly welcome you all to the summit. Before we begin, a light code of honor. जैसे मैंने बोला, keep your cameras on at all times, क्योंकि उससे हम आपसे पर्सनली कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. Second, keep your phone on mute, ताकि आप कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट मिस ना कर पाए. Third, whenever we ask you to share, जितना ज्यादा हो सके उतना शेयर करें. आपके लिए उतना अच्छा होगा, as it will open many different things for you. Good. Before we move on, I want you all to do something very simple with me. आराम से रिलैक्स होके बैठें. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Thank you. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted the things to change? आप कुछ बदलना चाहते हैं, लेकिन वेट करते रहते हैं. Have you ever smiled on the outside while crying on the inside? Have you ever told people I am fine, but अंदर बहुत दर्द था? Or you ever achieved something very big in life? कुछ बड़ा, बहुत हार्ड वर्क करके, but अंदर से खुशी नहीं थी. You didn't feel like celebrating your achievement. If any of this has happened to you, type empty in the chat box. Thank you. I appreciate you for being honest. My friends, you are not alone. हम सबके अंदर दर्द छुपा हुआ है. Some pain from childhood, some from relationships, some from failures, some for waiting for things to change. And yet, we continue to live, smile, and work while a part of us is still wanting to heal. I know this because I have lived it myself. मैं भी ऐसा ही था. Tell me, do you ever think of learning a new skill like dancing or singing or starting something on your own? A new venture, maybe, or writing a book? If you ever had such a desire or ever even thought of it, type skill in the chat box. Thank you. Does any of you have this childhood dream of becoming a singer or a painter or something else? If you are one of them, type me in the chat box. Thank you. So what is stopping you? क्या रोक रहा है आपको? The truth is, it is your inner child conditioning, your fears, the fear of failure. अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो? The fear of being judged. लोग क्या कहेंगे? Procrastination. कल से शुरू करेंगे. What if no one supports me? मुझसे अकेले नहीं होगा. लोग मुझे selfish कहेंगे. I don't want to spoil my image by doing something for myself. Let me ask you, where did these fears come from? Type your answer in the chat box. Right. These fears are accumulated in us from our childhood, from the time we are born to when we turn 7 years of age. Yes, you heard me right. Most of our conditioning happens till the age of 7. Shocked? मैं भी ऐसा ही shock हुआ था when I heard this for the first time. Let me share something about my life. I was born and brought up in a big joint family, a house full of cousins and siblings. I inherited a lot of great family values like honesty, kindness, sharing, caring, and brotherhood. And I feel very proud about it. पर मैं अपने cousins और siblings के साथ अपने आप को कंपेयर करता रहता था, सुनता रहता था, किसके मार्क्स ज्यादा आए हैं, who has received a medal in sports, कौन ड्रामा क्लब में सिलेक्ट हुआ है. I was neither good at sports nor in academics, nor ever selected for a class activity or a music club. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कभी कंपेयर नहीं किया अपने ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स के साथ. बट आई स्टिल टोल्ड माई सेल्फ, आई एम नॉट इंटेलिजेंट. मुझसे कभी नहीं होगा. And that became my life. Always hiding in a corner, avoiding conversations, and never sharing my feelings. It was only when I took a stand for myself and began my transformation journey, my inner child healing began. Tapping into my inner self and digging deep into my childhood fears helped me overcome my anger, frustration, sadness, lack of confidence to being a happy, cheerful, confident, and a loving human being. During this journey, I also realized something very important. The world pushes us to chase success, but not to heal. We are told to move on, but no one shows us how. We are told to be strong, but no one ever teaches us what true strength really means. And that is why I founded M2H, Mindset Healing Mastery. Hi, my name is Nitin Gupta. I'm an author, a mindset healing and mastery coach, and an NLP practitioner. My mission is powerful yet simple to make India the healing capital of the world. Here, we empower individuals to master their mind, heal their past, and live a life of purpose, peace, and abundance. Today, you will not just hear our words, you will feel them, experience them, what healing can do, really do. You will be doing some small yet powerful exercises to dive deep into your inner self and heal at least one aspect of your life with me and my fellow coaches. It's time not just to listen, but experience. Are you ready? Type ready in the chat box if you are ready. Great. Here's what we'll do. अगर हो सके तो अपने सामने एक खाली चेयर रखें. नहीं तो इमेजिन करें कि आपके सामने एक खाली चेयर पड़ी है. Now gently close your eyes. Take a very deep breath. Release. Now picture someone sitting in that chair. Someone who has hurt you. It could be your parent, a friend, or even yourself. Now, in your heart, say the words you never said. Tell them what you always wanted to express. This is a very safe space. The person on that chair cannot move, cannot speak. You have all the power. Express yourself in whatever way you like. It may be your anger, your forgiveness. You may even raise your hand to slap the person, or you may forgive the person and hug the person. Don't hold yourself back today. Let all the emotions come out. पूरा खाली कर दो अंदर से अपने आप को आज. जो हुआ, जो कहा, जो सुना, सब बाहर निकाल दो. सब कुछ खाली कर दो. अगर आंसू आए तो मत रोकना. स्माइल आए तो मत रोकना. गुस्सा आए तो मत रोकना. सब कुछ भूल डालो. It's time to end now. लास्ट वर्ड्स जो कहने हैं वो कह दो। थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ। दैट पर्सन इज गेटिंग अप नाउ और वो धीरे से रूम से बाहर जा रहा है। टेक अ वेरी डीप ब्रेथ, स्लोली रिलीज और धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोलें। Have a sip of water if you like. Take a few deep breaths and be normal. If anyone feels safe to and wish to share, जो भी आपको अंदर से फीलिंग हुई, drop a line in the chat box. That's great. Awesome. Let's acknowledge everyone. Type well done in the chat box to acknowledge everybody. Great. Thank you. This is the beginning of healing, a glimpse of what is possible when you allow yourself to release. This is the beginning of inner child healing and transformation. Just to let you all know, this is just the first insight. There are more activities yet to come to take you with us on a journey of knowing what is possible for you all. So, allow me to introduce the heart and soul of M2H, my fellow coaches who have walked their journey of pain, strength, and transformation. Together, we bring different strength but one vision to uplift and transform the lives of millions of individuals through the combined forces of coaching, healing, and creative innovation. First, let me invite my inspiration, a life coach, a woman who touches lives deeply, Sonali Gupta.
Thank you, Nitin, for that powerful start and for reminding us why healing matters. Namaste and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sonali Gupta, and my journey has been all about one thing: understanding the silent emotions that shape our lives and our relationships. And today, I want to take you into that space with me, starting with a very simple question. How many of you believe कि टाइम के साथ सब ठीक हो जाता है? सारी hurts, सारे pains, heartbreaks, challenges, unexpressed emotions and all. Type me in the chat box if you believe कि टाइम के साथ सब ठीक हो जाता है. Thank you. If only by hoping everything could be fixed, then how many of you believe that we have to do nothing and just hope कि सब ठीक हो जाए? Type I in the chat box if you believe this thing. Thank you. Hope is beautiful, but as someone said, hope is not a strategy. Hoping is not going to change anything. Hoping plus doing will bring results. How many of you believe that hoping plus doing bring results? Type me in the chat box. Thank you. Here's the thing. When it comes to our emotions, most of us stop at hoping. We hope the pain will fade with time. We hope the silence will bring peace. We hope that relationships will fix themselves. Maybe you'll agree with me. The longer we wait, the heavier it feels. जितना ज़्यादा हम वेट करते हैं, जो टाइम के साथ ठीक होना होता है, वो और भारी हो जाता है. Because we keep on adding more and more hurts on that, more and more unexpressed emotions on that, layer after layer. एंड ये वेट उठाने की हमें क्या पड़ जाती है? एनीबडी? आदत. आदत पड़ जाती है हमें इस वेट को उठाने की. एक हैबिट. We just learn to live with it. What kind of life would it be? Type one word in the chat box if you feel the life would be heavy, it would be empty, exhausting, meaningless, suffocating, जो भी awful. Yes, very good. कौन सी क्या लाइफ लगेगी आपको? Miserable, suffocating. Exactly. That is the life we end up living. But let me ask you this. What if life could feel light, free, joyful, or connected? तब कैसा लगेगा? Just write the word that calls out to you. Light, free, joyful, or connected. अगर आपको ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए तो. Joyful, free, joyful. Thank you. Because that is the choice healing gives us. To move from carrying the weight to finally living with lightness. Most of us are carrying emotions we've never expressed. We hide them. Why? Because we are told, be strong, don't cry. Or either we bury them because we believe it's too late to talk about it now. But let me share something with you. Crying is not weakness. Expressing is not weakness. Healing is not weakness. It is strength. I know this because I have lived it myself. There was a time in my life when on the outside my life looked whole and complete. A happy family, comfortable home, everything a person could ask for. But inside, there was a silence I could not explain. Along with the silence came the questions I kept on asking myself. Am I enough? जितना भी मैं कर रही हूँ, क्या वो enough है? Do my feelings even matter? Because no one is acknowledging that. How many of you have ever smiled from outside but felt invisible inside? If yes, type me in the chat box. If you've smiled from outside but felt invisible inside. Thank you. I would sit at gatherings surrounded by people I loved and still feel invisible. I used to smile, I used to nod, I always used to do whatever was expected from me. But inside, I kept shrinking myself smaller and smaller, fighting with my own demons, demons that I did not want anyone to see. And so I thought कि it's better कि मैं चुप ही करके बैठूं, क्योंकि मैं जब भी मुंह खोलती हूँ कुछ अच्छा तो निकलता नहीं है, तो it's better कि मैं चुप ही करके बैठ जाऊं. And here's the thing. Silence is not always peace. Sometimes silence is the weight of unspoken emotions. And the longer we carry that, the heavier it becomes. Okay, I'm reminded of a story here of two monks. Buddhist monks थे. There was an elder monk and a younger monk. वो दोनों एक walk पे जा रहे थे by the riverside. And they made a promise to each other कि हम में से कोई भी ना किसी woman को touch नहीं करेगा. And while they were going, उनको एक woman दिखी. She was struggling to cross the river. उससे river ना cross नहीं हो रही थी. And the elder monk picked up that woman on the back और उसको help किया river cross कराने में. River cross हो गई, woman को नीचे रख दिया, and the elder monk smiled and the younger, along with the younger one, they started walking. अब जो बड़ा वाला monk है वो तो smile कर रहा है, हंसता जा रहा है, और जो छोटा वाला monk है वो अंदर ही अंदर गुस्से से भरा हो. घंटों वो इस गुस्से से अपने आप को जला रहा था. अब उससे और टॉलरेट नहीं हुआ. तो उसने एल्डर मंक से पूछा दैट यू ब्रोक द प्रॉमिस. आपने तो बोला था कि किसी भी वुमेन को टच नहीं करना, एंड हाउ डिड यू टच द वुमेन? द एल्डर मंक अगेन स्माइल्ड एंड सेड कि मैं तो उस वुमेन को कितने घंटे पहले ही पीछे छोड़ आया था. व्हाई आर यू स्टिल कैरिंग दैट वुमेन? As the saying goes, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. एंड देखा जाए तो वो एल्डर मंक तो चिल कर रहा था, स्माइल कर रहा था, और जो यंगर मंक था वो अंदर ही अंदर खुद को जला रहा था, जैसे हम अक्सर घर में करते हैं. बाहर से बोलते हैं आई एम फाइन, सब ठीक है, लेकिन अंदर से ही प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी की तरह बज रहे होते हैं. Isn't it? So we don't just carry emotions in the moment. They stay with us longer after the situation has passed. Any of the emotions could be anger, it could be guilt, it could be regret, it could be shame. All these emotions, they are silently riding on our shoulders. The truth is, we cannot always control what happens to us. Right? क्या control है किसी situation पे? नहीं. But we can choose whether to carry it or to keep it down. Silently riding on our shoulders. Richa, my humble request, I will answer all the questions at the end of the program. So please keep all your questions ready, note them down. I'll answer all the questions at the end of the program. Thank you. And today, I want you to experience what it feels like to set that weight down. Not just understand it in your mind, but actually feel it in your body. So let's do a short activity together. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now imagine yourself standing in a quiet, safe space. Maybe a garden, a beach, or anywhere that feels peaceful to you. On your shoulders, you are carrying a heavy backpack. Inside it are all the emotions you've been holding on to. It could be anger, it could be guilt, regret, किसी भी चीज का डर, कोई भी फियर भी हो सकता है, और सबसे बड़ा सेल्फ डाउट वो भी हो सकता है. Feel the weight of all of your emotions. Notice how heavy it has become. हो सकता है आपको शोल्डर्स में हेवीनेस फील हो रही हो, आपको अपने हार्ट में हेवीनेस फील हो रही हो. In your mind, slowly take the backpack off your shoulders. Place it gently on the ground in front of you. As you do, notice how your body feels a little lighter. Now, when you open the bag, you see slips of paper inside, each one carrying a word. Anger, shame, regret, किसी भी चीज का डर. Pick one slip that feels strongest for you. Hold it in your hand. Look at it. And now whisper softly to yourself. I forgive myself for carrying this for so long. I release the weight that no longer belongs to me. I choose peace over the pain of holding on. And now, I set myself free to live with lightness and love. As you whisper these words, notice how your body feels. Maybe your shoulders soften, your breath feels deeper, or a gentle warmth rises in your chest. Look around you. Notice the colors in your safe space. The brightness of the sky, the movement of the trees, or the calm flow of water nearby. Hear the sounds that surround you. It could be the chirping of birds, the sound of gentle waves, or simply silence that feels comforting. As you let the slip dissolve into the fire or the river, feel a cool breeze touch your skin, almost as if life itself is thanking you for releasing what no longer serves you. Stay here for a moment. Breathe in the freedom and breathe out the release. As and when you are ready, open your eyes, lighter, freer, and more at peace. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. If you feel comfortable, type one word in the chat about what shifted for you. Maybe you felt lighter, more calmer, emotional, or even uncertain. It's okay. Just type any one word in the chat box how you felt. Calm, relaxed, calm, calm and relaxed, lighter. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. My turning point did not come in one dramatic moment. It came in small and invisible choices. One day I realized कि मुझे बचाने कोई नहीं आ रहा है. No one is coming to rescue me. And if I wanted to feel whole again, I will have to choose myself. So I started small, saying no when I meant no, speaking up even when my voice shook. मेरी बॉडी का हर एक सेल ये चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा था कि नो मत बोल, तू ऐसी नहीं है, तूने हमेशा हाँ ही बोला है, हाँ ही बोल, नहीं तो तेरा काम तो हो गया. क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी जॉइंट फैमिली में शादी हुई है, किस किस को नो बोलेगी. बट आई डिड नॉट लिसन टू दैट वॉइस ऑफ माइंड. यही सोचा कि अगर अब इस आवाज को सुन लिया ना, तो फिर मैं यहीं फंसी रह जाऊंगी. सिर्फ एक बार हिम्मत करनी है और अपने इस कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना है और इस आवाज को बंद करना है. और जब मैंने पहली बार नो बोला, तो ऐसा लगा कि मैं अपने आप की ही सबसे अच्छी दोस्त बन गई हूं. जैसे एयरटेल की एड में आता है ना, हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी है, तो सबसे जरूरी दोस्त अपने आप का बनना जरूरी है. You know, I heard this quote somewhere that nothing can be changed without losing. Even heaven demands death. अगर किसी को स्वर्ग में जाना है ना, तो मर के ही पहुंचेगा, जीवित वो नहीं पहुंच सकता. तो कुछ भी अगर पाना है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो खोना ही पड़ेगा. So ask, what are you ready to lose? Your comfort, your ego, the fear of judgment, या सबसे बड़ा फियर फोमो. नई जनरेशन के साथ साथ आजकल हमारी जनरेशन को भी फोमो होता है, पता है, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट. हम लोगों में बहुत ज्यादा ये फियर होता है कि हमसे कुछ छूट ना जाए. नेटफ्लिक्स मिस कर लोगे ना तो कुछ नहीं बदलेगा, लेकिन अगर अपनी ग्रोथ मिस कर ली ना तो सब बिगड़ जाएगा. I asked a very simple question to myself. What am I ready to give away in order to gain what I want? And the answer to this question became the answer to my evolution. Unlearning something that is no longer serving us and taking a stand for yourself is not rebellion. It is the most sacred act that you can do. It is an act of self-respect, of reclaiming your truth, and of choosing freedom over fear. Every small choice will feel like reclaiming a piece of yourself. And with time, you will begin to see that leaving your comfort zone is not losing safety, which I always believed for so many years कि नहीं इससे बाहर नहीं आना है. You will be able to discover the kind of strength you never even thought you had. अगर आज मैंने वही अपनी आवाज सुनी होती तो मैं यहाँ खड़ी नहीं होती. अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आकर सोचा कि अरे मेरे में इतनी स्ट्रेंथ है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था मैं इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट हूं. So as I began my own healing, I saw one more truth. And this truth reflected in the people I worked with. It could be young people, parents, or professionals. From the outside, they looked fine. सब ठीक है, जैसे हमारे साथ था. But inside, they were carrying silent pain. And when we don't process what we feel, it doesn't just hurt us. It ripples into all of our relationships. वो relationship कोई भी हो सकता है. चाहे रिलेशनशिप आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ हो, आपके स्पाउस के साथ हो, आपके बच्चों के साथ हो. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक ही रिलेशनशिप है हस्बैंड वाइफ का. रिलेशनशिप तो बच्चों के साथ भी होता है. तो अनप्रोसेस्ड फीलिंग्स उधर भी जाती हैं. अनएक्सप्रेस सैडनेस कैन लुक लाइक अ डिस्टेंस. कभी ऐसा लगा है कि एक ही कमरे में बैठे हो बट लग रहा है कि बहुत दूर हो, एक जापान में है और एक इंडिया में है, एक ही कमरे में बैठने के बावजूद भी. Unprocessed anger can look like conflict. बड़ी बड़ी बातों पे तो चुप रहते हैं, छोटी सी बात हो जाती है तो ऐसे, क्योंकि वो एंगर कभी प्रोसेस ही नहीं किया. Unhealed pain can look like silence in a relationship. कभी खाना इकट्ठे खाते हो तो क्या बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से? कुछ भी नहीं. फोन होता है आंखों के सामने, राइट? तो ये अनएक्सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस ही हैं जो ये डिस्टेंस और ये साइलेंस ये सब बढ़ा देते हैं. Has any one of you ever experienced this thing? Type me in the chat box if you have. Thank you. So friends, emotional wellness and relationships are not separate. They are two sides of the same coin. And emotional wellness is also not optional. It is the foundation of everything. In fact, most relationship struggles I have seen are not about the person at all. They come from unspoken emotions that we carry within ourselves. The hurt that we never voiced, the boundaries that we never set, and the fears that we never shared. That is why in my work as a relationship and emotional wellness coach, I don't just look at communication or conflict on the surface. सिर्फ ऊपर layer पे काम नहीं करते हैं. We go deep inside. I help people go deeper to heal what is actually inside, so that they can show up differently in love, in family, and in every bond that matters. Because when you feel whole again, your relationships naturally begin to flow with more trust, respect, and connection. Rumi is a 13th century poet who once said, "The wound is the place where light enters you." I'll repeat. The wound is the place where light enters you. जहां पे कई बार कांच ब्लैक होता है तो लाइट अंदर नहीं आती है, कहीं से वो जरा सा टूट जाता है तो वहां से सनलाइट आती है. Similarly, your wounds are not proof of your weakness. They are the proof that you have survived. M2H is not just about healing. It's about giving you that safe space where you can finally breathe freely. जहां आपको छुपने की जरूरत नहीं है, जहां आप सब कुछ कह सकते हो बिना डर के. Because healing is not only for women or men. It is for every human heart that has ever carried silence. Together, we are here to remind you that you matter, your voice matters, and your healing matters. And on this note, I want you to hear from someone who helps us rebuild the most important bond, the one with ourselves. Please welcome self relationship coach Saloni Agarwal.
Thank you, Sonali, for that beautiful introduction and for the powerful energy you have brought into this room. With the same energy, let's move forward. Hi, everyone. My name is Saloni Agarwal. If you all can hear me and see me, give me a big hi in the chat window. Thank you. Great. Awesome. How many of you in the room are dreamers? टाइप ड्रीमर इन द चैट विंडो अगर आप सोचते रहते हो मुझे लाइफ में ये चाहिए, मुझे लाइफ में वो चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए. थैंक यू फॉर दोज ड्रीमर्स इन द चैट विंडो. देर आर सो मेनी ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स अराउंड अस एंड द मोमेंट यू सी देम you say to yourself, how I wish I could also have this. Can I tell you something? कभी कभी हम इतने सपने देखते हैं कि हम ओवर थिंकर बन जाते हैं. एनी ओवर थिंकर्स इन द रूम? टाइप OT in the chat window if you are an overthinker. Thank you. How many of you know for this a fact? मैं इतना सोचती हूँ कि सोच में ही थक जाती हूँ और कुछ कर ही नहीं पाती. You think so much that you have become an overly sensitive person. Thank you for that me in the chat. The way things hit you, the way situations impact you, a lot of people around you don't even understand what you are going through. But today, I want you to know this. This is the place where your journey of playing the big game begins. From today, instead of calling yourself an overthinker or oversensitive person, I want you to shift your mindset slightly and start calling yourself, I'm a keen observer of life. I repeat, I'm a keen observer of life. How many of you feel that sounds more positive? Give me P in the chat window. Thank you. जब आप अपनी एनर्जी को सही डायरेक्शन में लेकर जाते हो, आपकी सेंसिटिविटी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बन जाती है. I know this from my own life. For a very long time, I was extremely sensitive. मैं बहुत जल्दी हर्ट हो जाती थी. But can I tell you something? All those things have served me massively. They have helped me create a bigger, better life because I learned to channel that sensitivity in the right way. यहाँ किस किस को ऐसा लगता है आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग आई एम सपोज टू, सुबह से शाम तक काम कर रहे हैं, बट देर इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट फीलिंग इन माई हार्ट, आई एम मोर देन दिस, आई डिजर्व मोर देन दिस. I'll help you understand why this is happening and what you can do to see yourself, set yourself free from this cycle. हमने खुद को एक पिंजरे में कैद किया हुआ है, लेकिन आज मैं चाहती हूं कि आप वो पिंजरा खोलो और खुद को परमिशन दो उड़ने की, बहुत ऊंचा उड़ने की. पता है हम सब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की डीपेस्ट डिजायर क्या होती है? We all want to be seen, we all want to be heard. हम सब चाहते हैं कि हमारी प्रेजेंस लोगों को फील हो, हमारे जज्बात, हमारे इमोशंस को वो समझ पाए. But some of us are carrying so much hurt in our hearts because of what happened in the past that now we have stopped believing. We don't believe in people, we don't believe in situations, and worst of all, We don't believe that things can change now. Some of us think, अब क्या हो सकता है, अब क्या बदल सकता है, I'm 35 now, I'm 40 now, I'm 55 now, अब मेरी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बदल सकता. But can I tell you, age plays no role in the dream life you want to create. Your past plays no role in the life you want to create today. You can decide right now in this very moment to start creating beautiful life. And my intention is to help you raise yourself higher so that you become that woman who changes the trajectory of your life, your family life, and even future generations. I strongly believe when the woman of the house grows, she has the power to take the entire family and the future generation forward with her. इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी एज क्या है, इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप अपनी लाइफ में कहाँ खड़े हैं. फर्क पड़ता है इस बात से, डू यू वांट टू बी दैट पर्सन हु चेंजेस द गेम फॉर योर फैमिली? जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ. Just ask yourself, do I want to be the person who changes the game for my family? It's very important to ask yourself. आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं अपनी जर्नी लाइफ की आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. Do I have your permission? If yes, type PG in the chat window. Permission granted. Thank you. Thank you so much. मैं हरियाणा में पली बड़ी. बचपन से बहुत शाय थी. कुछ करने का कॉन्फिडेंस तो था ही नहीं. और मैं हमेशा सोचती थी, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, मैं इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ, अदर्स आर बेटर देन मी. एंड मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती थी. आज जो लोग यहाँ मुझे बचपन से जानते हैं वो इस बात से कंप्लीटली अग्री करेंगे, मैं चुप रहती थी. लेकिन पता है, कभी किसी ने जानने की कोशिश नहीं करी कि ऐसा क्यों है. सब फैमिली एंड रिलेटिव्स मुझे मेरी सिस्टर्स के साथ कंपेयर करते थे कि ये तो ज़्यादा स्मार्ट नहीं है. और धीरे धीरे मुझे लगने लगा कि हाँ, ये सच है, मुझ में कुछ खास है नहीं. तो खुद को एक्सप्रेस करना बंद कर दिया. अपनी फीलिंग्स कभी किसी को बताई नहीं. ये सोचा कि लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे, कोई समझेगा ही नहीं, सब लोग जज करेंगे कि ये तो बस चुप रहती है, तो बस चुप रहना ही सीख लिया. हमेशा दूसरों की लाइफ को देखकर लगता था कि वाओ, दे आर सो लकी, आई एम नॉट. वो ये सब कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो इंटेलिजेंट है, मैं नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज आई एम नॉट. करना चाहती थी बट कभी किसी ने कहा ही नहीं कि तुम कर सकती हो, हौसला बढ़ाया ही नहीं. तो ऐसे लगने लगा कि यस, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. और हमेशा क्रेव करती रही लव, एप्रिसिएशन, अटेंशन. मुझे लगने लगा कि मैं प्यार तभी डिजर्व करती हूँ जब मैं वो करूँ जो मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है. तो मैं पीपल प्लीजर बन गई और इसी माइंडसेट के साथ शादी हो गई. When I got married, I thought my life would be now Jinga Lala. But guess what? तब भी खुद को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाई, नहीं बोल पाती थी जो फील करती थी. दिल की बात दिल में ही रह जाती थी. और तो और दूसरों के लिए लव एक्सप्रेस करना मुझे बहुत मुश्किल लगता था. बस मैं वो करती जाती थी जो एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा था. बट करते करते, सबकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को पूरा करते करते मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट होने लगी. Because I was trying to fill the cup of others from empty cup of mine. ये तो अब पता चला है ना कि you cannot pour from an empty cup. जो आपके पास है ही नहीं वो आप दूसरों को नहीं दे सकते. ये तो अब समझ में आया है. From the outside, my life was perfect, okay. But inside, I was suffering. And my question to all of you is, how many of you know for a fact you are suffering inside? Maybe things look okay from the outside, but inside, every single day, You wake up with this feeling, this is not the kind of life I want to live forever. People around you might say, life is fine, everything is okay, ऐसी ही होती है life, सब ऐसे ही जीते हैं. And I remember when I decided कि मुझे अब ऐसी लाइफ नहीं जीनी, मैं अपनी लाइफ में प्यार चाहती हूँ, मैं बदलना चाहती हूँ अपनी लाइफ. और ये मेरी लाइफ का टर्निंग पॉइंट था. In 2016, I got my first mentor, Dr. Achal Gupta. पहली बार जाना सेल्फ लव क्या होता है. And one sentence which helped me big time. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. किसी और की राय मेरे बारे में ये डिसाइड नहीं करेगी कि मैं कौन हूं. And from there, I started to see myself differently. Everything begins with one decision. And when I decided to change my life, opportunities started showing up. I began to educate myself, did programs after programs. And today I'm at a place where I'm a self-relationship coach and emotional wellness educator. And I have helped many women held their hands and guided them to overcome their self-defeating identities. I want each woman to hold her own hand and rebuild her relationship with herself so that she can shine as the best, most confident, and charismatic self and creates a life she always desires and deserves. You may ask me, but how, Saloni, how do I become that powerful, confident woman? Can I tell you something? When your why is clear, your how will appear. When your vision is clear, the obstacles will start to disappear. Just know your why. Why do you want to show up as the most confident woman who can take decisions with clarity, who can face his fears and doubts with courage, and who can express her truth with grace? Because your why holds the key. This is where the true power of every woman lies. But a lot of us have lost our power in the journey of life. And today, I want to share 3 elements that actually build your power so that you can regain your power. Are you all ready to know what are those 3 elements which can help you to regain your power? Just type me. I'm ready. Give me ready in the chat window. Thank you. Thank you for all the means. First element is your self-image. The way you perceive your own skills and talents. But people with negative self-image, no matter how many opportunities are there, their response is, मेरे तो बस का नहीं है, मुझसे तो होगा ही नहीं. और जब सेल्फ इमेज लो होती है ना, हमें रिसीव करना भी नहीं आता. जब लोग आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, यू आर लुकिंग सो नाइस, हमारा इंस्टेंट रिस्पॉन्स क्या होता है? ओ यू आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग सो नाइस. और हम क्या कहते हैं, कहाँ यार, देखो स्किन कितनी खराब है, वेट कितना बढ़ा हुआ है. जब लोग हमें अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ रिसीविंग इट, वी रैप दैट अप्रिसिएशन एंड गिव इट बैक. और या फिर वी स्टार्ट हाईलाइटिंग नोट्स ऑफ ग्रेट थिंग्स अबाउट अवर लाइफ. Every time there is a conversation around your awesomeness, you underestimate yourself. But when it comes to talking about others, wow, they are so great, they are so awesome. We so much appreciate others, but we cannot see our own self. So this is a clear feedback. The way you are perceiving yourself is low. And I strongly believe no matter how many skills you have, no matter how many knowledge you have, but if your self-image is negative, you are always going to undervalue yourself. How many of you realizing it's high time you start owning your awesomeness? You cannot inspire others if you are struggling with low self-image. My second element for you is self-esteem. This is your self-worth, how worthy you feel about yourself. जिनकी सेल्फ एस्टीम लो होती है ना, वो हमेशा अपनी वीकनेस को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बताते हैं और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स के लिए कहेंगे, हाँ ये तो कुछ खास बात नहीं है, इसमें तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है. दे आर ऑलवेज क्वेश्चनिंग देमसेल्व्स. मेरे से तो होगा नहीं, मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं, मुझसे तो कुछ हो ही नहीं पाता. बट person you see up there started from exactly where you are right now. My voice is not clear?
No, clear slowly.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for confirming. Every person you see up there started from exactly where you are right now. So say to yourself, if she can do it, I can do it too. Promise yourself from today, when you see other success, you will say, if they can, I can too, and I will. Know this for a fact, every master was once a disaster. But by continuing to work on their self-esteem, they have reached where they are today. We all can do that. एंड मुझे ऐसा भी स्ट्रांगली फील होता है कि हमने अपने पास्ट के बैगेज को अपने साथ बहुत ज़्यादा कैरी किया हुआ है. जब मैं 25 की थी तो मेरे साथ यही हुआ था. व्हेन आई वाज 30 दिस हैपेंड. अभी 3 साल पहले उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला था, 1 साल पहले उसने मुझे कुछ ऐसा कहा था जो मैं कभी भूल नहीं सकती. एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू, many years have gone by. It is done. The past is over. 10 साल पहले क्या हुआ था? We replayed so many times that now you have started believing it will happen in the future as well. Stop doing it. इस वजह से हम लाइफ में स्टक हो जाते हैं, लोगों को माफ नहीं कर पाते, डर में जीते हैं. Can I tell you, your biggest fear should be the fear of stagnation. अगर डरना है ना, इस बात से डरो कि 5 साल बाद भी वही बातें कर रहे हो, वही प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर रहे हो. All of us are given life to grow, but the biggest injustice we have done, years have gone by, but you have not grown. You are still thinking about the same problem, same challenge. And my intention for all the rock stars here to not be in that state anymore. Because it's suffocating when a human being is not growing. It's beautifully said. Human beings are either growing or dying. If you are not growing, then actually a downfall is happening. हमें आउटर वर्ल्ड में अपना ये डाउनफॉल नजर नहीं आता, बट इनर वर्ल्ड में हमारा ये डाउनफॉल रोज हो रहा है हमारे साथ. एंड आई नो ये कितना पेनफुल होता है. एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू गो थ्रू दैट. And you know, the moment we stop growing, our confidence also starts shrinking, which brings me to the third element, self-confidence. Let's play a quick game. How many of you know how to cook your favorite dish or manage your daily chores? आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो जिन्हें लगता है कि हम अपनी फेवरेट डिश और अपने घर के डेली काम को इजीली मैनेज कर सकते हैं? टाइप yes in the chat window. Thank you. Now, if I ask you, you have to make the same dish for 10 people. Instead of 2, you have to make that dish for 10 people. How many of you can do that? Type 10. Yeah. But what if I suddenly ask you to cook for 500 people in a hotel? वही डिश आपको 500 लोगों के लिए बनानी है. How many of you will feel, अरे ये तो मुश्किल है, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, right? So what just happened? You were highly confident in one situation, but the same task in bigger, unfamiliar situation shook your confidence. So it shows confidence is not about who you are, it's about the situation. So from today, never say again, I have low confidence. Instead, say, I'm confident in some areas and I'm building confidence in others. Because confidence is not born overnight. Confidence आता है वो छोटे छोटे एक्शन लेने से. जिस एरिया को पहले हमने कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं करा, वहां पर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करा, उसमें तो फियर्स एंड डाउट्स आना इट्स क्वाइट नेचुरल. हम सब ने ड्राइविंग की है, राइट? वी ऑल रिमेंबर द डे 1 जब हम ड्राइविंग सीख रहे थे. हम कितने कॉन्शियस थे, कितने नर्वस थे. बट सी टुडे द वे यू आर ड्राइविंग नाउ. हम एक हाथ से स्टीयरिंग भी हैंडल कर लेते हैं, एक हाथ से फोन पे बात भी कर लेते हैं. व्हाई? क्योंकि वो हमने बार बार किया है उस चीज को. नाउ वी हैव बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट इन ड्राइविंग. बट कुछ लोग सालों साल इसी बात को लेकर बैठे रहते हैं कि मेरे अंदर तो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज ब्लंडर. सो फ्रॉम टुडे स्टार्ट सेइंग आई एम अ सुपर डुपर कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन. It's just that some areas I haven't yet explored, but I can build confidence in it. Right? So how do we build confidence? Just write it down. The best and the most powerful way to build confidence is to take action. Follow this mantra. Dare to dream big. सबको लेने चाहिए बड़े बड़े सपने, सब मुंगेरी लाल बन जाओ. But be ready to take small actions. Dare to dream big, but be ready to take small actions. उससे ही confidence आएगा. And I want you to take these 2 phrases out of your vocabulary. Number 1, I don't know. Replace it with I will figure it out. Don't say I don't know. Say I will figure it out. And second, never say I can't do it. Say I will manage it. You will see how powerful you can feel. So let's connect the dots. Your self-image is how you see yourself. Your self-esteem is how you value yourself. And your self-confidence is how much you trust yourself. These are like the roots of a tree. And when roots changes, fruit automatically changes.
बेटा शाम को आएंगे बस.
Remember this for the rest of your life. लाइफ में उतना ही मिलेगा जितना तुम बिलीव करते हो कि तुम्हें मिल सकता है. आई रिपीट, लाइफ में उतना ही मिलेगा जितना तुम बिलीव करते हो कि तुम्हें मिल सकता है. We first fail in our head and then in reality. Likewise, we first succeed in our head and then in reality. So how many of you are ready to do the massive work required to expand your self-esteem and your power? Give me in the chat window and give me a longer me if you are ready to do the massive work required to expand your self-esteem. Thank you. Thank you so much. And how many of you feel you need support to make that happen? Do you realize it's not just a 1 or 2 hour work, but something we need to work on a little longer, right? Of course, we all want to give you massive value in 1 hour. But I also know tomorrow morning, when you wake up, you won't remember about this summit. You won't remember who is Saloni, who is Sonali, who is Nitin. You will continue to live in the same way. And that's the biggest injustice. क्योंकि आप फिर से stagnant हो जाओगे. So today, we want to give you an opportunity where we can hold your hand and work together. That's why we have joined hands in this mission at M2H to help and support you to heal, grow, and rise by awakening your inner strength. That's our mission. Now, I want to hand over to Coach Sonali, who's going to share with you a beautiful journey we have designed for you all. Over to you, Sonali.
Thank you so much, Saloni. And thank you, Saloni, for that powerful sharing. Friends, you just heard how reclaiming your relationship with yourself can change everything. That is why at M2H, we did not just stop at a summit. We designed journeys that don't just leave you inspired for one evening. It will give you support, tools, and guidance over weeks to truly heal, grow, and rise. And here is one big truth. This journey is not for everyone. It's only for those who are serious. No time pass. Not for the sake of just being here. ठीक है, अच्छा चलो चले जाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, किया किया नहीं किया नहीं किया. This journey is only for the serious people. Because everything has been designed straight from our soul to help you see faster results in your life. And yes, this is a paid program. And I am a strong believer. When you pay money, you pay attention. When you pay attention, you take action. And when you take action, you see results. Isn't this all about? बैठे बैठे result मिला है कभी? नहीं मिलता. So if you feel, yes, this journey is for me, I'm ready to invest my time, money, and efforts, then join us. How many of you are ready for the next level game of your life? Type BIO, bring it on the chat box if you're ready for the next level game in your life. Type BIO. All right. We are 15 of us, right? And I am only seeing two, okay, 3, 4. Good. See, when we call you out, there are more BIOs. Still, there are less. I'm not going to proceed until I reach at least 10. So give me more BIOs in the chat box if you want to know more. नॉलेज भरा पड़ा है दुनिया में. यूट्यूब में कोई भी वीडियो निकालो, देख सकते हो. बट जब तक उस नॉलेज को एक्शन में नहीं लाओगे और उसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, you will not get results. Success do not come to the people who are sitting with the knowledge. Success will only come to those who are action takers. So for your own success, be energetic. Participate as much as you can. All right. Thank you. So, it breaks my heart when people come and say, मुझे करना तो है पर मुझसे होता नहीं है. मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा वो प्रॉब्लम है. Do you think problems are going to end anytime soon? 5 मिनट बाद क्या होना है हमें वो भी नहीं पता. So problems are not going to go anywhere. The question is that amid those problems, उन problems के होते हुए भी, how can we find our power to deal with that? What I know deep in my being is that once you decide that I am going to do it, nobody on planet Earth can stop you. And my intention is to make that happen for you. We start to work with you by taking off those layers of personality that are not helping you, so that you can start to shine in your own presence and power. How many of you want your power? Just with the show of hands, maybe. How many of you want your power back? Thank you. So right now you have two choices. Do nothing and continue to live life like you have so many years and decades. Or give yourself the permission to be guided and held, to find your unlimited potential, to turn your struggle into your strength, and to turn your mess into your message, and become a confident, charismatic, and abundant personality. So, how many of you are ready to open your heart and choose option 2? And you better choose option 2, क्योंकि बहुत साल हो गए वहीं पर बैठे बैठे. So, type 2 in the chat box. I want each and every one of you 15 नंबर चाहिए मेरे को chat box में. 2 ही मिले हैं. Nobody is ready to tap into your abundance. Thank you. So, I'm going to share some programs with you that we have designed. I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a moment. So before I show you the first program, I want you to think that how many of us are still carrying the wounds of our younger self? A harsh word from a parent, a broken trust, या किसी और ने कुछ कह दिया. These moments shape the way we live our life, even if we don't realize it. That is why our first program is all about healing the child within you. The first program is by Coach Nitin Gupta. He's the founder of M2H. And you cannot even imagine the learnings that you will experience once you step inside the M2H. The program is a 4-week online transformational journey to heal your wounded inner child, to discover your hidden fears and limiting beliefs that block your growth, and to reconnect with your younger self, heal past wounds, and create empowering patterns. इस समय किस किस के पास सारे जो पैटर्न्स हैं वो empowering हैं? हमारे पास भी नहीं है. But how to make those pattern empowering is what Nitin is going to teach you. So when you heal your inner child, you don't just change your past, you transform your future. Past चला गया, present में हम अपने disempowering patterns में हैं, but हम future अपना create कर सकते हैं. Right? So now, how many of you are probably wondering what would it take to be a part of this journey? So I'm just going to reveal that. The program is about 19,999, but because you all are here at the summit, spending your time and energy with us, we have cut down the program, and now this program is about 15,999 only. We also wanted to make sure that you don't just learn during the sessions, but have support in your day-to-day life. That is why we have added some simple yet powerful bonuses we love to give, to keep you on the track, motivated, and growing every single day. So the bonuses that Nitin would be giving with his program along is his ebook, Unlocking the Growth Mindset. Yes, he's an author himself. And in this book, you'll not only learn the transformation journey of Coach Nitin Gupta, but you'll also try and implement in your life. The most important bonus that you'll be getting is the 1:1 bonus session with him himself. All this, if you bundle up, comes to be 13,398 rupees, which you are going to get absolutely for free. So I'm going to bundle up both the course and the bonuses, which is of 13,398, which is coming absolutely free. And 19,999 ka program is going to be given at 15,999. If you do the total, it comes out to be 33,397, but you just have to pay 15,999 rupees. Jaldi se apne cards nikalo. Monica, please share the UPI code and stop the chat for some time. at the price, not even the price of one. If you'll go to our website, you will get this program at 19,999 only. But because you are here at the summit, so we are giving you this program for 15,999. So how many of you are ready to heal your inner wound and come out of and create those empowering patterns for yourself? Monica, you can open the chat, please, because अगर किसी ने कोई question पूछना होगा, and keep sharing the UPI code after some time, if it goes up, if it scrolls up. So let me ask you one more thing. How many of you ever felt stuck in a loop? रोज सुबह से वैसे ही उठो, वैसे ही काम करो, उसी तरह करते रहो, कोई ड्रीम्स नहीं है, कोई डिजायर्स खत्म हो गई हैं, सब इधर उधर चला गया है, एंड यू आर स्टिल फीलिंग एम्प्टी इनसाइड, क्योंकि सबका तो करते जा रहे हो, आपका कौन कर रहा है? I know that feeling too well because I have been there where you are. So I have designed a program called Reset to Shine, which is a 4-week journey that helps you put yourself back on your priority list, because it's high time. हमने अपने आप को बहुत देर last में रखा है, but I will help you to put yourself back on the top of the list. Build confidence with small and simple consistent steps. How many of you think that people are born with confidence? कि हम लोग confidence से ही पैदा होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के DNA में ही confidence होता है. How many of you think that? Give me in the chat box if you think that people are born with confidence. That's very good. See, we have enlightened people here. Yes, okay, we have one me. So we are not born with confidence. Confidence is a personality trait that can easily be developed. मैं 5 लोगों के सामने भी कुछ नहीं बोलती थी, इतना लो कॉन्फिडेंस था. But right now I can speak in front of 50 to 100 people. हाँ, 500 तक का नहीं पहुंचा है अभी, पर वो भी हो जाएगा. So confidence can be built with simple and small consistent steps. This program is all about that too. Create balance between responsibility and self-care. बहुत सारा टाइम हम लोग अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए काम करते रहते हैं. वी कीप ऑन प्लेइंग आवर रोल्स एंड वी स्टॉप लिविंग आवर सोल जर्नी. सो आई विल हेल्प यू क्रिएट दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड सेल्फ केयर के बीच का जो बैलेंस है, विल मेंटेन दैट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील द प्राइस, which is nothing. Actually, it is nothing, but you will get all this in this price. On the website, the price is 4,999 rupees. But again, you are here with us, so I'm going to slash this price. And the program is for 3,999 rupees only. And again, every program is coming with some bonuses and some benefits. So the benefits are, you get a 10-day affirmation card, which is a daily reminder to shift your mindset and strengthen your self-belief. A 7-day reflection journal. These are some gentle prompts to help you pause, reflect, and reconnect with yourself. A daily progress tracker. This is a simple tool to keep you consistent and help you celebrate your small wins. किस किस को लगता है कि जीतने के लिए कुछ बड़ा चाहिए? सेलिब्रेशन के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि कुछ बड़ा ही हो आपके पास. छोटी छोटी जीत में भी आप सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हो. स्मार्ट गोल्स टेम्पलेट. A step-by-step guide to turn your dreams into clear, achievable actions. The price of all this is 2,500 rupees, but you are going to get this for free. Free along with the program Reset to Shine. I'm going to bundle it up again for your understanding, which is a 10-day affirmation card, a 7-day reflection journal, a daily progress tracker, and a smart goals template that amounts to 2,500 rupees and is as a bonus free for with the program Reset to Shine. The program price at the website is 4,999 rupees, but I'm going to give you that program for 3,999 rupees only. And now if I bundle up this program, comes out to be 7,499. अगर आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, परचेज करेंगे, तो ये प्रोग्राम इतने का ही मिलेगा. But because you are here at the summit, so we are slashing the price to 3,999 rupees only. How many of you believe that your heart deserves to heal, shine, and be free? किस किस को लगता है कि नहीं, मेरा दिल फ्री हो जाए, किसी तरीके से थोड़ा लाइट हो जाए, बहुत भारी हो गया. That is why Coach Saloni has prepared a program by the name Heal Your Heart. In this program, it is again a 3-week journey designed to realize you are bigger than your thoughts. अभी सलोनी ने इतना एक्सप्लेन किया कि हम पहले यहाँ हारते हैं और फिर रियल लाइफ में. So she'll help you explain that you are bigger than your thoughts. You will learn the power of forgiveness. Generally, किसी को माफ कर देना हमें sign of weakness लगता है, but it's just the opposite. It is the sign of strength. And finally, you will invite the 3 G's in your life, which is goodness, gratitude, and grace. Now, please don't even ask me कि ये प्रोग्राम कितने का है. मैंने इसको इतना बोला, इतना सब कुछ दे रही है, इतनी कम प्राइस पे, और उसमें भी और कम करने जा रही थी, मैंने उसको नहीं करने दिया. So please, उसकी गलती नहीं है. So she is giving this program for only 2,499 rupees. Only for this much. And not this alone. She has again added bonuses to it, which is 4 daily practices, some gentle ways to reconnect with yourself every day. Sorry. Emotional mastery self-assessment. You will discover in just 10 minutes whether you are an emotional master, a learner, or stuck in emotional chaos. 12 powerful mantras. 12 hand-picked mantras to instantly shift your mindset, silence negative thoughts, and invite positivity in your day-to-day life, anytime, anywhere. कहीं पर भी खड़े हो, कुछ negative thought आया है, chant any one of the mantras अपने मन में, and you will get rid of all that. Some boundaries blueprint, your step-by-step guide to set healthy boundaries without guilt, so you can honor yourself while deepening love and respect in your relationship. ये तो 2500 रुपए में ये भी फ्री. हाँ, बेचारी मैं तो सोच भी नहीं सकती कि 2500. मोनिका प्लीज शेयर. आई फील बहुत लोग बाय करेंगे ये प्रोग्राम. 2500 रुपीज में फुल प्रोग्राम प्लस बोनसेस, इतने सारे बोनसेस और इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम. आई मीन अब तो कार्ड्स निकाल ही लो सब लोग और कुछ ना कुछ पेमेंट तो कर ही दो. So friends, each of the programs that we've shared with you today, whether it's reconnecting with your inner child, healing your heart, or resetting your life, is a powerful journey on its own. But we also realized, what if we combined all this wisdom, all of this transformation, and walked beside you step by step, not just for weeks, but for months? Imagine the impact of working on your mind, heart, and self together in harmony. That's how the idea of M2H Mastery Program came up. This is an ultimate 26-week transformational journey with coaches Nitin Gupta, Sonali Gupta, and Saloni Agarwal. Over a 6 months period, you will not only heal your past, but you will also build stronger relationships and master your inner child. This program is divided into 4 phases. Phase 1 is of 8 weeks with Coach Saloni Agarwal, with the program The Inner Reunion, खुद से मिलने का सफर प्यार से. You will be able to reconnect with your true self deeply and transform your inner world into clarity, confidence. Phase 2 will again happen in 8 weeks with myself, Sonali Gupta. The program's name is Unspoken Truths, Uncover, Release, and Discover Yourself. Phase 3 is with Coach Nitin Gupta, which is the mindful healing technique. You will be able to heal your inner child, release emotional blocks, and address the root causes of physical and mental stress. स्ट्रेस कई बार एक ही सिचुएशन से हमारे पास नहीं आता है, कई बार बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस होती हैं, वो रूट कॉज को मिटाना जरूरी होता है. सो दिस इज वेयर नितिन्स प्रोग्राम विल हेल्प यू. And friends, phase 4 is the ultimate phase. You just do not want to miss this phase. Phase 4 is an offline event. Because this program is a certification program, an offline event, an in-person event where you will expect live coaching, group healing sessions, and receive your mastery certificate. This is an offline event wherein we'll invite you and all the details will be shared with you afterwards. अगर प्रोग्राम इतना बड़ा है तो बोनसेस भी उतने ज्यादा हैं. Let's go to the bonuses. An ebook written by the coach himself, written by the founder himself, Unlocking Your Growth Mindset. A workbook, New Life Template. 4 daily practices by Saloni Agarwal, Gentle Ways to Reconnect with Yourself. 10-day affirmation card, Boundaries Blueprint with Saloni Agarwal. 12 powerful mantras for shifting your mindset, and a workbook, Rediscovering Me. All these bonuses and the program of 26 weeks. Okay, we have a bumper bonus also. Who's ready to know about the bumper bonus? Enroll before 1:30 p.m. today and receive 2 personal 1:1 coaching sessions with any coach of your choice. That is completely free. This is a bumper bonus. अगर आप अभी enroll करते हो, let's leave 1:30. Let's keep it जब तक summit चल रहा है. We'll not keep it till 1:30. We'll do it जब तक summit चल रहा है, and you are enrolling for this program. You will get 2 personal 1:1 coaching sessions. But yes, you will not get these sessions with different coaches. Once you select the coach, you will have to take 2 sessions with that coach. That is the only condition that is there in this program. So how many of you are ready to know the price of the program? Thank you. So the price of the program is 59,999.98 is the price of the program that is there on the website. But then again, you are here with us, so we are going to slash this price and make it 49,999 only. Imagine you are joined with us for 26 weeks plus the bonuses plus the 2 personal 1:1 coaching sessions. All of this you are getting at 50,000 rupees only. All of this you are getting at 50,000 rupees only. How many of you can see the value, that massive value this program is going to be? Because once you join this program, you can expect the results, which is total emotional release and inner peace. You will have improved physical health and stress-free living. You will have deeper and more fulfilling personal and professional relationships. You will have stronger self-love, self-awareness, and confidence. And you will have a clear roadmap to living a purposeful and joyful life. 6-8 महीने में जिंदगी को कैसे भरपूर जिया जाता है, ये सब आपको मिलेगा. And you don't have to go and find answers anywhere. We are there with you. और जिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, हम जाकर लेकर आएंगे. You will not have to go anywhere. Okay. So I'm going to share this next slide just for your reference, wherein you have all the programs, the 4 programs, and the price. So this price is valid only till the summit is going on. Once the summit is stopped, the price will go back to again the original prices on the website. I am going to ask you that when you make the payment, please share the screenshot in the WhatsApp group so that I can personally call and invite you. And is there any one of you who is still sitting on the fence कि क्या करूं, लूं या ना लूं, पता नहीं क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएगी भी कि नहीं आएगी? I want to request you to please get off the fence. या तो हमारे साथ आ जाओ या आप फेंस से नीचे उतर जाओ, because staying on the fence is going to be painful. Having said that, some of you might still be having some doubts in your mind, so I would like to address those. एक नंबर पहला डाउट होता है फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड बाय अदर्स। लोग क्या बोलेंगे? लोगों के बोलने के डर से क्या आप अपनी ग्रोथ रोक दोगे? नहीं ना। सो कुछ टाइम के लिए फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड को बाहर छोड़िए और अपनी ग्रोथ को विजुअलाइज कीजिए कि ये ग्रोथ मेरे लिए क्या कर सकती है। फियर ऑफ बीइंग वल्नरेबल, यस, द प्रोग्राम डज डिमांड टू बी वल्नरेबल। कुछ ना कुछ शेयर करने के लिए जरूर डिमांडिंग होगा, but I want to assure you that this is completely a safe space and a non-judgmental space. ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पे आप कुछ भी शेयर करोगे, आपको कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा या कोई भी ऐसी बात नहीं बाहर जाएगी। थर्ड कुड बी आई डोंट हैव टाइम, मेरे पास टाइम बहुत कम है। अगर इसमें से कोई भी एक प्रोग्राम आप ज्वाइन करते हो और मैं उसके बाद आपको बोलती हूँ ये प्रोग्राम आप कंप्लीट करोगे ना तो आपको मैं 10,000 रुपीज दूंगी, तो क्या आप टाइम निकालोगे कि नहीं निकालोगे? निकालोगे ना। 10,000 रुपए के लिए टाइम निकलेगा। सो टाइम इज अ लग्जरी, यू मेक टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग। आई कैन मैनेज अलोन, हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता? इतना बड़ा घर, बच्चे, सबको मैनेज करते हो तो ये भी कर सकते हो। बट डू यू रियली हैव टू? व्हेन वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू एंड सपोर्ट यू, यू डोंट हैव टू। वेदर द थिंग्स विल वर्क, क्या चीजें काम करेंगी? हाँ, करेंगी। चीजें तब काम करेंगी जब आप एक्शन लोगे। बैठे बैठे कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद चीजें काम नहीं करती। चीजों को काम कराने के लिए उस पे एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा। Our programs are time tested, they have given results, but only to the people who have taken actions. So in order for you to make things work, you will have to take actions. It's too late for us. हम तो 40 के हो गए, अब क्या जरूरत है करने की? आई एम नियरिंग 50। मेरे लिए तो लेट नहीं हुआ, तो आपके लिए लेट कैसे हो सकता है? कभी भी नहीं अपना कार्ड स्वाइप करना छोड़ूंगी अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए। बी अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर। जिंदगी सिखाती है, आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाती है माना। जिंदगी से विजडम आता है, एक्सपीरियंस से जीना आता है। सो ट्राई टू एक्सपीरियंस न्यू थिंग्स। Does she even understand that what I'm talking about? क्या उसको पता भी है कि हम किस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं? 3 कोचेस यहां पर आपके सामने हैं, माई सेल्फ, कोच सेलोनी एंड कोच नितिन। हम उस दौर से गुजरे हैं कि हमें सब पता, एंड दैट इज वाई वी कैन हैंड होल्ड यू। दिस इज जस्ट अ गिमिक। पैसे कमाने बैठे हैं। किसी के भी मन में अगर ये विचार है ना कि हम यहाँ पैसे कमाने बैठे हैं, तो प्लीज डू नॉट ज्वाइन एनी प्रोग्राम। वी डोंट वांट योर मनी। वी आर हेयर टू मेक यू बेटर वर्जन्स ऑफ योरसेल्फ, नॉट टू मेक मनी। सो किसी के भी दिमाग में अगर ये है तो I want all of you to be a wise investor. Never think twice in spending for your growth. I want each and every one of you to promise something to yourself. From this moment on, if anything that makes you powerful transforms your personality and helps you live fully, you will welcome it in your life. Type I see in the chat box if you are committing to welcome that opportunity in your life. Type I see in the chat box. Now, before I open the room for questions, I want to remind you that the prices displaying on your screen right now is only valid till this summit is going on. Once this summit ends, the prices will go back to its original price on the website. Is that okay? Right. So now I'm going to open the room for questions. First, we will take the questions for any of the doubts that you might be having for any of the programs. And then we'll take the normal questions. If you have any doubts for any of the program, please come and share that in the chat box. Or if you want, we can call you. No questions regarding the program? Okay, any other question?
I think Richa had the question, but she has
She
left the
has
meeting.
left. Yeah, I
Yeah,
did
She's
check.
not there.
Yeah, she has left. Are we good to wrap up then?
अगर किसी का कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो you can freely ask. You don't need to hesitate. Freely ask. We are there to help you. Yeah, Nidhi, you can contact us. You can stay in touch with us, and we'll let you know the entire details. Anything you want to know, you can join one of the program. That's perfectly okay.
All right, over to you, Nitin.
Thank you, coaches Sonali and Saloni. Friends, you heard stories, you felt emotions, you tasted healing, and I want you to carry one truth with you. You are not broken, you are not weak, you are simply waiting to heal, grow, and rise. Transformation is possible for everyone, and it starts from within. So let's transform together. I congratulate each and every one of you who has taken the bold step to transform your life by choosing this journey. And I congratulate all of you present and participating actively in this show. Now it's time for the free gift. Excited? We are going to share the link of a very powerful meditation, mindful energizing technique to relax, stay calm, heal, and grow each day. Practice daily and share with us in the group how you feel. We at M2H wish all of you the very best for the future to come. Now unmute yourself and say this loudly. I request everybody to unmute yourself and say this loudly. I choose to heal.
I choose
I
to
choose
heal.
to
I
heal.
choose
I
to
choose to
heal.
grow.
I
I
choose to
choose
grow.
to grow.
I choose to rise.
I
I
choose
choose
to
to
rise.
rise.
One more time with more energy. I choose to heal.
I
I
choose to
choose to
heal.
heal.
I choose to grow.
I
I
choose
I
to
choose to
grow.
choose to
grow.
I
grow.
choose to rise.
I choose
I
to
I
choose to
choose
rise.
to
rise.
rise.
Thank you. Thank you for being a part of
Thank
M2H
you.
Online Summit. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your journey with us. Together,